Problem 40, this is a very interesting problem. Given 2x equals y square, 2xy equals k, and they intersect perpendicularly, then the value of k square is. So there are four options which you can see. You need to select the right answer. Now, if two lines intersect perpendicularly, then if I multiply the slopes of those two, which is m1 and m2, it is equal to minus 1. Right? So all I need to do is I need to find the slope of the first expression, slope of the second, multiply both of them and equate it to minus 1, and then I would be able to find k square. Okay? Right. So now 2x equals y square. So let me substitute for 2x here. So I have y cube. So I have y square into y, which is y cube equals k. And what is y? Y equals k power 1 by 3. So I found out the value of y here. So substituting the value of y in the first expression, so I have 2x equals y is k power 1 by 3 the whole square. So I have x equals k power 2 by 3 divided by 2. Right? So I found out a point x comma y, which is given by k power 2 by 3 divided by 2 and k power 1 by 3. So I have the value of x and y. So next I need to find the slope corresponding to the first and the second one. Right? So if I differentiate, so if I call this as expression 1 and if call this as expression 2, differentiating expression 1 with respect to x, so I get 2 equals 2y dy by dx. So 2 gets cancelled, so I have dy by dx equals 1 by y. And what is y? Y is k power 1 by 3. So I have 1 divided by k power 1 by 3. Right? So m1. So let me call this as m1. So this is the slope which corresponds to the first curve. Next I have the second one. So I differentiate expression 2. So when I differentiate expression 2, I have 2x into differential of y, which is y dash, plus 2y into differential of x, which is 1, equals 0. Alright, so I have 2x into y dash equals minus 2y, or y dash is equal to 2 gets cancelled, minus y by x. And what is y? I have minus of k power 1 by 3 divided by k power 2 by 3 divided by 2. So this is y dash, or this is dy by dx. Okay, so now let me simplify this. So I have minus, this 2 goes on top, so I get minus 2. So I have k power 2 by 3 minus 1 by 3. So I get minus 2 divided by k power 1 by 3. So this is the slope of the second curve. I call this as n2. So this is minus 2 by k power 1 by 3. So what is being given? It's been given that 1 and 2 intersect perpendicularly. Right? So therefore m1 into m2 equals minus 1. So I have m1, which is 1 by k power 1 by 3, and m2 is minus 2 divided by k power 1 by 3. So let me multiply this and equate it to minus 1. So I have m1, which is 1 by k power 1 by 3, into m2, which is minus 2 divided by k power 1 by 3 equals minus 1. So this is what is being given here. So minus 1 gets cancelled. So I have 2 equals k power 2 by 3. So this is what I have. So now we need to find the value of k square. So what do? To find the value of k square, what can I do? I can take the cube on both the sides, isn't it? So if I cube the LHS and RHS, I get 2 cube equals k square, or k square equals 8. Okay, so this corresponds to C. If you observe all the four options given here, k square is equal to 8, and that corresponds to the option C, which is the right answer. Right? So we are solving problems from KCET 2020 version code D2, make sure that you do like, share and subscribe, and keep a watch to get the solutions of all the other problems of KCET 2020 and the previous paper.